Managing maintenance requests with TenantCloud increases the chances of resolving every issue promptly and efficiently. Let's dive in and see how it works. 1. Create a maintenance request or receive one from your connected tenant. To create a request, select its category, subcategory, and define the problem. You can add photos and videos as well to visualize the issue. Then, choose the property and set the maintenance request priority level. 2. To assign the request to a service pro, click the Add Assignee button on the Maintenance Request preview and choose a service pro from the list. If you are already connected to the service professional, the request will be automatically sent and posted to their account. 3. If you don't have a service pro to help resolve your maintenance issue, we can help you find one. Click Request a Quote on the Maintenance Request preview, and you will receive bids from available service pros in your area. You'll have the opportunity to review their business profiles, read customer reviews, and then make an informed decision to hire the most suitable service professional for the job through TenantCloud. 4. Throughout the process of resolving a maintenance request, you can track its status, view the materials used, link equipment, and view or add expenses or tenant charges associated with the maintenance ticket. 5. To gain a comprehensive overview of all maintenance activities related to specific properties, you can easily generate a maintenance request report. This report provides valuable statistics and insights into the maintenance history of each property, aiding in better decision-making and the management of your real estate investment. www.tenantcloud.com